2 powerful techniques to make girls feel comfortable, feel more confident with you. There are some questions that come in. How to have a nice chat with a girl you just met. The answer is in this video, bro. Comfort and trust is the first step to make a girl want to continue the interaction further after just getting to know. Warning: don't let it be used for negative things. Number 1. Mirroring. The origin of the word from English mirror, which means mirror. The point is you try to match your body language with girl's body language. If she sits leaning back, do the same thing. If the tone is fast, try to speed up your tone too. If she leans forward, you also lean forward. Scientifically, mirroring is proven effective, bro. Based on the Journal of Experimental Social Psychology in 2008, mirroring can increase success in a negotiation up to 5 times compared to negotiations that did not take place by mirroring. This happened because when we look at other people do the same thing we usually do, we feel there is a connection, relationship with that person, so a sense of mental closeness is easier to build. One mistake you should avoid when mirroring, bro: don't be too obvious. Do it as if you didn't think about the move. Don't copy all his physical movements. Just copy 1 out of 3 or 1 out of 5 she does. If you look very clear imitating all the movements, the girl will feel strange, maybe even feel belittled. Number 2. Ask exactly. While chatting, you have to be able to ask the right questions, not the origin of the question. The key is the question that the answer is about the girl's feelings. Don't ask them any things that are factual or logic, because of the impression you become like a detective interrogating or HR who is having a job interview. For example, asking about feelings like this: bro, how was the trip here? Comfortable? What do you like to eat? Who is your closest friend? How can you see, bro? Ask questions with positive emotions, the emotion you expect her to show you. In the example question earlier, there is the word comfortable, like and close. Also try to ask not successively, at most 2 questions. Keep on changing the story, or give her the opportunity to ask, okay, got it, bro? In conclusion, here are 2 things you can do to make it girls feel more comfortable. 1. Mirroring. Imitate body language. 2nd, ask questions related to her feelings. Do this exactly. Your acquaintance with girls will be smoother. Keep spirit, bro.